Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up this Verizon 5G home internet. This is the internet gateway. This is just a plug and play. It is super easy to connect, and it is also a lot cheaper than the most providers that are out there. First off, I want to introduce you to Visible. It's by Verizon. It's the sister company. They offer two mobile plans that are super low in price. One line wireless for $25 a month. So they do have two lines. So they have the $25 a month, which taxes and fees are included. You also got the Visible Plus. So you can bring your Samsung S24 series and you can get a discount of $50. They do offer the higher phones, like the iPhones. It has 99% of the population coverage. So these plans included unlimited everything, no hidden fees, 99% of the population. So the difference between the two plans is the Visible Plus, what does offer you 200 plus countries that you can call with international calling, but they both have unlimited talk, text, and data, as well as mobile hotspot. Here is our Verizon Gateway. This one you can switch to 5G home internet, which plan starts at $35 a month. The price is the price. It's guaranteed with no hidden fees or equipment charges. With auto pay, you save up to $10 a month. The price is the price. It's guaranteed, so you don't have to worry about expediting prices. I know with the internet prices going up right now and the ACP program ending, a lot of these contracts with these companies are super expensive. They have no data caps or annual contracts. So you can see right here, this router is really nice. It does come with the power cord and it comes with the box itself. If you need an Ethernet cable or anything like that, you will have to purchase that separate because that does not come with this router. So this has a whole home Wi-Fi. You can get Wi-Fi extender, no additional cost. You can have the fast, reliable coverage in every room with 5G Home Plus plan. So right here, this gateway has an Ethernet, which line 1 and 2. You have a USB. Here is the quick start guide. It is super easy. It does tell you in directions on how to set this up. It's just plug and play. So it gives you on how to install it, the lights, the blinking lights, and then I'm going to go into more details on how to set this up. So right now, for a limited time, they are offering a $200 Target gift card when you switch to the 5G home internet plan. So now we're going to go through Verizon and it's going to walk you through on how to set this up because it is plug and play. So this is everything that comes in the box. So right now I'm just going to go over to the video to show you how to set it up step by step.
Welcome to Verizon Home Internet. Verizon Home Internet harnesses the power of the Verizon network to seamlessly connect all your home devices. Setup is simple. Before you begin, here's an overview of what to expect. First, you'll unbox the Verizon Internet Gateway and its power adapter. Then place the gateway on an elevated surface near a window and plug it in. Once powered up, the blinking white light will turn off and signal bars will turn on. One signal bar is all you need, but you can try for a stronger connection by moving the gateway to different locations in your home. If your home has more than one level, a higher floor may work better. If the gateway can't find a signal, the system status light will turn red. Try moving the gateway to a new spot and check again. Once you're all set up, the Wi-Fi icon will turn on and you can connect your devices and manage your network. Just scan the QR code on the bottom of the gateway to connect automatically or enter the network details manually. If you run into any issues, we'll be there to guide you along the way. Or you can select the chat icon for more support at any time. We're always here to help. Finding a good 5G signal depends on where you set up the Verizon Internet Gateway. Our 5G compass can point you in the right direction. It'll identify the 5G antennas in your area and select one for you to try first. Then it'll direct you toward the antenna to the place in your home that's most likely to get a good 5G signal. Follow the arrow as far as you can go until you reach a window or wall on the perimeter of your home. Then you'll set the gateway on an elevated surface in that location. Plug it in and check for a signal. If there's no signal or if you want to try to find a stronger signal, you can use the 5G compass again. You may be able to change antennas to try another part of your home. If your home has more than one level, moving to a higher floor may help. Let's give it a try.
All right, so right now I'm just going to use the compass and I'm just going to move around. So when it's showing that the green tower, that's basically showing you that you're in the area. So here's 5G antennas. You can change it. You can move forward to the signal towers. So now I'm going to do is I'm just going to move toward the signal towers. Once you see it's green, it basically lets you know that that's exactly where the signal you need to be. So I'm just kind of moving backwards right here. It's blue, blue, blue. Nope, we're going to go back all the way up this way. So once it hits the green, now you'll want to go ahead and test it.
Place the gateway on an elevated surface near a window and plug it in.
So once you connect it next to a window, the windows actually gives you more of the bars and the signal strength. Then once you do that, it will say checking your Wi-Fi. Now it says it's complete. So now you can see that I do have all bars and I do have these signals full bars. It has to be on a windowsill, anywhere near a window, because that gives a lot more signal. So I have it set right here on my windowsill. My internet, I get full bars. I have no issues. My uploads and my downloads are super fast depending on your area, so they can go up to 300 megabytes or up to 20 megabytes of upload. So if you're looking for a nice home internet service that is super cheap and it is no contract, I would highly recommend checking out getting this Verizon 5G home service.